Now we see that like if we see a diagonal relationship of lithium, so it resembles magnesium. You know that, I think you know that what is diagonal relationship? It is the resemblance in the properties of the, you can say that second period element with the third period element which are present diagonally. So we see that lithium is present here and magnesium is somewhat here, and they resemble each other, they possess a diagonal relationship. Now what are those properties which shows the similarities between lithium and magnesium? It is the comparable size, comparable ionization energy, comparable polarizing power. And likewise, because of these properties, their electronegativities are also almost same. Both are hard metals, both forms like when they react with oxygen, both form stable monoxides, and they can stabilize only the oxide ion, that is the O2 negative ion. And likewise, if we talk about the halides, so their lithium chloride and magnesium chloride both are actually covalent and deliquescent as well. They have the power to absorb the moisture, and they both can react with nitrogen directly as they are of small size. So that means they can stabilize the nitride ion, and they just react directly with the nitrogen. And likewise, if we compare nitrates, their nitrates are almost unstable because they are of smaller size, they cannot stabilize the bigger size anion. So that is why it decomposes on heating, because it is unstable, right? And like if we talk about hydroxides, again the same thing, they cannot stabilize the bigger size anion as they are of small size cation, so they are weak bases, right? So these are the few properties which you can list, like if somebody asks you about the similarities shown between lithium and magnesium, so you should be well versed with the answer that lithium resemble diagonally with magnesium, and these are the properties due to the reason that they are in a diagonal relationship with each other, right? So this is what is the diagonal relationship.